Follow one product and you'll see most of your stock is nowhere near the shelf. A customer buys one phone charger. The shelf says 500 left. That feels safe. But those 500 are just 3% of every charger moving through the system. The other 97% is sitting in buffers nobody in the store ever sees. Here is the full journey. 10,000 leave the factory. 5,000 sit with the distributor, 2,000 in the warehouse. 500 reach the store. 1 goes home with the customer. Every stage carries its own buffer, and that is where the real inventory lives. The empty shelf is the last place a stockout shows up, not the first. It started weeks earlier, in a buffer upstream you never monitored. Verit Analytics tracks inventory at every stage and compares it to forecasted demand. Per-SKU, per location. So you see the gap before the customer does. Verit Analytics. Multi-series inventory tracking and stockout risk assessment across every stage. See the shortage before the shelf goes empty. Visit veritanalytics.com.